Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you all so very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Evita and I post a lot of cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos, and sometimes a cooking video. Thank you also very much for watching today. If you find yourself enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So today I am in my master bedroom, and then I will also be cleaning my master bathroom. As you all can see, my master bedroom is a hot, disgusting mess. I have been down and out because I have endometriosis and it causes a great deal of pain. Some days I can't even get out of the bed, but today I was feeling fine, so I was like, let me hurry up and get up and clean our room and also our bathroom. As you all can see, like I said, it is a hot, disgusting mess, especially the bathroom. The bathroom really needed a good scrub me down, but just look at this, you guys. A hot, disgusting mess. I don't like it when my bedroom or bathroom gets like this, but sometimes it has to, simply because I can't even get out of the bed. But enough chit chat. Let me go ahead and let you guys enjoy this video. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is clear off of this dresser, wipe it down, and then also wipe down the mirror. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and make our bed. These sheets are clean and I am still looking for a bed skirt. If you guys have any suggestions on where I can get one from, a nice one, let me know in the comments down below.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
So my husband purchased me a ring light for my birthday, and in some shots it looks good, in some shots it doesn't. Like this one, it looks okay, but in other shots it's very dark and the ring light is on. I don't know what's going on, but apparently I just need to read up on it.
It's alright, so let's move on. We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright.
So this desk is over 35 years old and I really want to paint it. I'm thinking about painting it pink. Let me know if you guys think I should paint it pink or white down in the comments below.
You won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on.
Think I'd try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me up tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around.
I wanted to let you guys know that I do have a channel where I only post vlogs, so if that's something you're interested in, I'm gonna go ahead and link it up above and also in the description below.
I'm gonna show you what I'm going through, get you out of your comfort zone, 'cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me up tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around. 'Cause you feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. Don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it. We'll turn this around. Don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it. We'll turn this around.
If you guys are enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top on the basement. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Jordan number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue. Leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah.
So sometimes my camera likes to be a jerk and not focus, so that was what was happening, but I still kept that clip in.
Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything
cerquita, pues me pregunté qué pasa cuando me bailó cerquita, eso fue descomunal. Dale, dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Fanática lo luce porque tiene belleza y mueve ese booty más con tremenda certeza. Hay con esos ritmos y un par de cervezas. Ya nos ambientamos porque esto apenas comienza. Ella me dice que nada de lo que veo acá nadie lo comprará, no está a la venta. Y yo le digo más, si tú perreas más, me empeñaría ya pa' esa vuelta.
So if you made it this far into the video, thank you so very much. If you enjoyed this clean and motivational video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. But as always, thanks for watching.